today we are here at the Azad Maidan, and if you can see, the crowd is all coming in from all over Goa to support Father Stan, who has been taken into the police station, who's jailed actually at Bombay regarding some silly reason, and because he's been supporting the Dalits. So Father Simon has got all of us together today in support of Father Stan, to have him released at the earliest. And if you can see, everyone, senior citizens are out, youngsters are out, the priests, the nuns have all come in support, because this is not right. We cannot be suppressed. And he's an 83-year-old activist who's been fighting all these years for the betterment of the people, and he's been arrested. So you can see how when public tries to fight for people's right, we have seen it in Goa itself, we are seeing it now where he's been posted and he was taken into prison, and our whole demand is to have him released. You can see people have come out. It's raining, but people are come to show support. So this is what we have to do. Everyone coming out in support. Imagine, senior citizens, priests have all come in support for this. You can see everyone. See for yourself. All of us are all here right now. If you're free today and if you have some time to spare, please come in and support. 4 to 5 is the protest. It might go on till 5:30. Father Simon will be having her speech done at the end of it, addressing us as to what is the whole situation of the case and everything that Father Stan is going through. And so kindly request me, all staying at home during this COVID situation is one part of it, but coming out in support. Now this is an issue that's happening in Mumbai, but we are here because an 83-year-old priest who's been an activist, who's been fighting for people's right, has been arrested. So please come down. We are at Panjim, Azad Maidan. People of Panjim, people of Santa Cruz, people from Donapal, people from Pororim, if you are close by, come, show your support, because together we can fight these battles. Please do come, support, and I will go live when Father Simon speaks up.